shorty been asking where I've been in the same place the whole time, sticking to myself, sitting on the corner writing rhymes. I thought my beats were over, but now I guess they just begun. You think you're a hot shot, but all you got is a wasted slogan. You talking hella dumb, what's your name? Gilbert Grape? I'm stuck in the underground, but now I'm planning my great escape. But you're a waste of time, a waste of rhymes, I know you crave it. We gaining hella success, and now you gotta face it. But here I am, chillin' on my corner, it's just me. This ain't about Joe's Orbs, the barber, or the Dollar Tree. Man, this is where I grew from 6th grade, I held my own. Broken shit, smoking weed and failure, hell I was prone to all the hurt and the pain that I received. But it stuck around like a venereal disease. You wanna get a burner, you'll be sitting on a frying pan at notch 10, staring at the hole thinking, goddamn.
Yo, where you been, T?
I'm on 27th in college.
What you been doing, G?
I've been expanding my knowledge.
And what you gon' do?
I'ma put these cats in their place, and if they wanna come and get it, here's a little taste.
Yo, where you been, T?
I'm on 27th in college.
What you been doing, G?
I've been expanding my knowledge.
And what you gon' do?
I'ma be on the corner, bitch. You don't wanna get it, I'ma have to hit it, cause you know I can kill your bitch. Heavy Empire is where it's at, best believe. Our fans are to our lyrics and have IQs higher than 15. You want the Wisco scene? Well, here I am, bitch. I'm at all the shows getting love. Where you been, bitch? I'm done playing nice, now I'm playing fucking raw. Next pussy saying HER and shit gets a broken jaw. All your snitches, I'm killing faggots with a big mouth. You stuck in the Midwest when we be going down south. I'm bringing my corner from Wisco to your next door. So come and sit with me and talk if you want more, cause there is more in store. I'm a tricky fella, man, smoking dubs till I feel the kiss from the sunbeams. Let's go behind the former seals, you know what's there. Listen to Fat Crack, yeah, that shit happens here. There's a cross covered in blood with your name on it, and I'm killing more motherfuckers than Haley's Comet.
Yo, where you been, T?
I'm on 27th in college.
What you been doing, G?
I've been expanding my knowledge.
And what you gon' do?
I'ma put these cats in their place, and if they wanna come and get it, here's a little taste.
Yo, where you been, T?
I'm on 27th in college.
What you been doing, G?
I've been expanding my knowledge.
And what you gon' do?
I'ma be on the corner, bitch. You don't wanna get it, I'ma have to hit it, cause you know I can kill your bitch. I'ma rep my corner, that's really all I need. Milwaukee likes my shit, so I can't wait to succeed and fucking rub it in the face of these haters. Cause while they bitching about their album, my fan base be getting greater. I'll feed you to these gators in the sewer with your corpse. It's kinda funny when I rap, your ass gets sore, but still you beg for more. I'll show you signs of mercy. It took me 2 years to drop an album, man, it didn't hurt me. I'm only 19, lyrically I'm way ahead. You're way too naive to be stepping inside of the dragon's den. I'm your side with a pair of pliers, now open your mouth. Wear a wide and dire need of getting out. When I'm up on my block, I'm wearing Spider-Man, eating surf and turf, all your bitches splitting beans out of can. I'm Mr. Swag, man, coming to the fam, man. But I'm doper than your rappers, call me Mr. Cocaine,
Yo, where you been, T?